was in the midst of cutting labels, and I just wanted to let you see how amazing these labels are. Look at those. Aren't they just lovely, grungy? And I didn't even do that much to them yet. I can still do a lot more to grunge them up, but this is just the way I cut them. So they are the labels from the same die set as the gift bag. Those two labels. And these labels are also a little bit of embossing labels, as you can see. And you can ink them. And I did it before, but it didn't work out. But I saw a tutorial of it, and I forgot one thing, and that was clean them with alcohol. So if you have just an alcohol, and then with a cloth or something, just give them a rub with alcohol. And I'm going to show you how I did it. So then I clean them with alcohol, and then you just ink them up. And I cut some paper from, these are from the backdrops from Tim Holtz. Just some nice grungy paper, or you can also take your own coffee dyed paper or distressed paper. And then take out the archival, because I use a lot First Fine Clair because it's very sharp in printing. But these, if you want a little bit more grungy style, I take the archival and then just dab it with the ink pad. Just several times to get on a bit of a coating. And because it's a bit of a grungy style, you don't need to have an even layer. As you can see, it makes it more interesting because it's not an even layer. So then you have it inked up. Get some paper. This is the paper strip I cut, and put on, wait, I have to put it down. And then get the label, the die, put it on there, make the sandwich, and then just roll it through. And then the reveal. It is really amazing. Just look at that. How amazing is that? So, and this is in the grunginess in the paper, but you can also do that with distress ink or with some stamps. But the edge you get, and it's also embossed, so it's, I don't know if you can see it. Well, with the, here I have a not inked, and you can see the embossing in here. That's also in here. So that's such a nice label. And this is the big one, and there's also the smaller one. So just wanted to show you these. So I'm can just do this for hours, make a bunch of those labels, because this you want in your supply, in your stash, when you're looking for labels. Aren't they just gorgeous?